This is David Waller with Referral Freedom, helping you monetize life. Step 1, be yourself. Nothing's weirder than calling your friend like you've never called them before, or if you don't call your friend, you are like, why are you calling me, inviting me to coffee? We never go get coffee. Who are you? So be yourself, don't be weird. Step 2, be brief. Be busy. If you're not busy, do something that creates you busy. I know a guy who literally lights a match and starts to hold it, and if he doesn't set an appointment with the time it gets to his finger, he hangs up. All right? So do whatever you gotta do. Be busy. Also, when you're on the phone, on a phone call invite, don't be selling. All right? People inherently don't already like salesmen because the majority of people have an idea of what salespeople are from like car salesmen or something. So if you've never been involved in sales before, don't call your friend and try and sell them over the phone. The point of this phone call and this step of the process is to invite them to see what you have to show them and not explain anything on the phone, which is the next thing. Don't explain anything over the phone. If you say the words opportunity, travel, business, money, cars, women, and luxury items, you blew it. All right, they're already gone. And put it this way. Have you ever gone to a movie and have tried to explain the movie to a friend or family member, and then you tell them the ending? Not only did they not understand the movie, unless they read the book, but anywho, you also ruined the ending for them. They now have no opportunity to see it with their own eyes and their own perspective and their own thoughts and see how it makes them feel. Just say, hey, you gotta go see this movie. I can't even tell you anything about it. We just gotta go see it together and surprise them. Wouldn't you rather surprise someone than tell them everything and ruin it? Exactly. Think duplication from the start. The way that you invite someone to see the information, the product or opportunity, is the way they are going to think they have to do it also. Just send your link to someone and spam a bunch of your friends. That also ruins it, and it creates a bad name for network marketing. Right from the get-go also, outside of duplication, you also want to be thinking about how can I be the best representative of the industry itself. Every time somebody gets started in network marketing and they do it the wrong way, it plants a bad seed in the mind of the person they invited right from the get-go. And that could spread as well. So just think duplication from the start. Whatever seed you plant will grow. And one day you're going to have a harvest, and if the crops stink, so are your business and your income. So, step 2 or 3. I forget what number we're on.
4.
Really, 4? 2-step text invite. If you're not a big phone caller, before you get the courage to do so, you could always employ your thumbs to do the work for you via invite. So, 2-step text, could you do blank this week? And actually fill that blank with an actual thing you could do with that person. Like get coffee or happy hour, question mark. You got the time and date right in there. Brilliant. If not, if they can't do that time, if they don't want to do it, cool. Don't just word vomit on them anyway. I got to show you something because of yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. You got to meet with me. Just calm down, all right? The product opportunity is not going anywhere. This thing is built on urgency anyways. We know you're excited. Hold yourself. Now, an invite that could make you a lot of money is this right here. And it could be a text, it could be a phone call. And it goes something like this. Beep, boop, 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 beep, boop, boop. Ring. Billy, you home? Awesome, I'm coming over. Click. Boom, got him. And then when you go there, just, be genuine. Don't, goes back to step one, be yourself. Be like, hey man, I'm coming in. Let me look in your refrigerator. Cool, okay, no, cool. Get the family together. I got something you gotta see. I've got something you gotta see. I've got something, and you, my friend, have gotta see it. It's incredible. Boom. Got him. I think that's it, huh? Make sure to stay tuned for future news by subscribing, spelled that wrong, and leaving a helpful comment for network marketing newbies. I love that one, wrote that myself. And share with your teams for future success. Peace!